YouTube boy go on, it's your boy Barber J, and today we're here with the next banger. We're gonna do a Nike sign with pink dropping. It's gonna be crazy, guys. Just look out for that one. I want to go at you know the thing already. And I haven't been posting since lately because I was trying to get better video quality. So now that I'm getting some better quality video, I'm gonna start post more on YouTube. But make we get right into the video. Alright, so now we're starting by using our number one guard close to take off the bulk of the ear so we can get into our design. So now I'll be using my outliner to shape the design. Always remember to use the edge of your clipper, guys. After finish using the outliner, now I'm gonna be using the razor to sharpen up the design. So you know the razor is just to make sure the line is sharp. So you always want to use like the edge of the razor to make sure that the line is sharp. So now I'm just sharpening up the design to make sure you can see a clear design and a clean design. Now I'll be using my airbrush just to spray in the design to give it the design a darker look and to just make the design pop more. So you could use any enhancement you want to use. You could use your brush or you could use your airbrush. It's up to you whatever you want to use to just make the design pop more. So this is just some enhancement to make the design pop more. You're free to use whatever you want to use, but I normally just use the airbrush spray gun to make my design pop more. And why I didn't show you guys when I'm fading out, like fading around the ear, because I wanted to save time on this video. I don't want this video to be long. So this is really a fading video, by the way. This is a design video, so I'm mostly focused on the design and teaching you guys how to do the design. So that's what we're focusing on today. So sorry for you guys that if I didn't show the fade, but if you want to see fade, I have a lot of fade cut also on my page, so you could go and look at the fade cut, and it's always following the simple step for fade. So as long as you see one of my fade cut, you will understand how to fade, and you'll have no problem fading out the designs. Now I'll be using my air color pencil. I'll be using green and pink today. Those are my color choice for the day. using my magic pencil to give it that 3D look. So this is the end of the video. As you can see, my boy was feeling himself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is the finished cut. Let me know what you guys think about this cut, and tell me if there's anything you guys need to see next, anything I missed out and you guys want to know more. Just let me know, and let me know what you want to see next on the channel. If you want to see a fade, you want to see a design, just let me know. I'm here to teach and I'm here to help you guys. So you also can hit me up on Instagram at BarberJ, hit me up on Facebook at BarberJ. You can find me on our social media network. Guys, also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks again. Barber J out.